Rice is very important in Japan. Without rice, Japanese foods do not exist. The basis of Japanese foods is rice. Besides sushi, people enjoy onigiri as well as tawara musubi. The Multi-Nigiri maker ASM 545S helps make various kinds of onigiri, tawara musubi, and sushi rice balls by changing the forming units. Apply Atex oil spray evenly onto the necessary parts before operation. Assemble these machine parts correctly. Break the rice up with your hands as you put it into the hopper. For safety purposes, close the lid after putting the rice in. Turn on the power switch. Press the start switch to start operation after confirming the safety. Set the amount. As the first step, make the onigiri on a trial basis until a well-formed onigiri is shaped. Remove the formed onigiri and put it on the tray. The machine restarts automatically when the rice ball in front of the sensor is removed. This machine adopts a unique onigiri forming mechanism. It can make onigiri, sushi rice balls, and makunouchi. There are a total of 40 kinds of forming units to meet your needs. It is capable of making a maximum of 1,950 onigiri, 2,600 sushi rice balls, or 5,200 makunouchi per hour. There is also a forming roller which is useful for bento. Each machine part is of lightweight design with easy cleaning. It helps keep the machine clean at all times. The ASM 545 can meet your needs and it can attract more customers.